Ma'am Ate Sam. This event is not possible without her testimony few months ago po. Nung naipasa po yung batas na, of course, it was led in the House by Kong Zia and of course in the Senate, Sen. Robin. The next po agad naman ni Ma'am Sam na naipasa po yung batas. And today is the kick-off activity of our Human Rights Week for 2025. And sabi ko, what a best way to do my event for the Human Rights Week than to feature how we can move forward this particular law, no? the Islamic burial. And of course, I have to acknowledge our Honorable Sir Chair Richard Palpalato. He's here with us, sir. Chair po, aming chairman po si CHR. Salamat po Sir Chair for gracing our forum this afternoon. Thank you po. As a Muslim Filipino woman and CHR's Focal Commissioner for Muslim Filipinos, it is my honor to welcome all of you to this meaningful gathering. The Muslim community recognizes the recent passage of the Philippine Islamic Burial Act as a significant affirmation of our cultural and religious heritage, an acknowledgement of practices that have long been central to our identity and faith. Today's event brings to light the essence of community, the bonds that unite us, and the profound cultural and spiritual importance of proper burial rites. It reminds us of family and our shared duty to ensure that our departed brothers and sisters are laid to rest with dignity in accordance with the sacred traditions of Islam. This is not merely a matter of legal frameworks, but an expression of respect. Respect for faith, respect for culture, and for the humanity we all share. Today's event is part of the week-long celebration of the 2025 National Human Rights Week Consciousness Week rather. Today, we focus our attention on the Philippine Islamic Burial Act as we reflect on the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities that it brings, both for government and the communities the law seeks to serve. We are privileged to be joined today by the prime movers behind this landmark legislation, visionaries and advocates who collectively bring this law into fruition. Their efforts mark a milestone in our journey toward a more inclusive, compassionate, and harmonious society. It is the Commission's earnest hope that today's activity marks the beginning of the faithful and effective implementation of the Philippine Islamic Burial Act as it further advances inclusion and respect for the cultural and religious diversity of Muslim Filipinos, inshallah. At this point po, nais ko pong anyayahan ang aming chairperson na magbigay ng maikling mensahe. Chair, please honor us. Okay, sige po. So, thank you, Chair. Thank you again for gracing us. I give the mic to our MC. Thank you. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Allahu Akbar!
Maraming salamat po, Kongkei. Thank you very much for that inspiring message. Totoo nga, no, na itong measure na ito, it's more than just a legal framework, but a concrete step para mapakita natin ang inclusivity when it comes to our policies sa ating bansa. Now, at this point, to introduce our keynote speakers for today, I will now yield the floor to Attorney Erwin M. Caliba, Division Chief of the Policy Linkages Office, Legal, Legislative, and Government Division. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Magandang hapon po. Senator Robin Hood Padilla, widely known as